Hi, my name is Alex Defina. I am the founder and owner here at Pherform, and along with our incredible team of coaches, creator of the Pherform FST training solution. FST stands for Female Specific Training. And if you're in the business of getting results like we are, it really pays to know your stuff. We recognize there's a whole lot of confusion when it comes to women's health and fitness. How to work out, when to work out, and why. You see, there's a huge difference between a male and female body, both from an anatomical, physiological, and hormonal point of view. That's where the Pherform FST solution really shines. We combine the four major modalities: strength and power, high intensity cardio, metabolic conditioning, and hypertrophy in the perfect system, which has been independently validated by the University of Hong Kong and trialed in over 6,000 members. We understand that as a busy woman, you expect and deserve the results that you want. Our system combines these key modalities in an easy to follow program that absolutely anybody can join. We've taken all the guesswork out. No longer will you be frustrated by hard work and no result. All you have to do is turn up and immerse yourself into our system. Anyone can join. Over subsequent videos, I'll be breaking down FST into its various elements, explaining how these key modalities combine and converge into the most comprehensive system anywhere in the world for women. We look forward to seeing you back here at Pherform, immersing into this incredible community and building the leanest, strongest, happiest and healthiest version of you.